Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to perform a virus scan on the LENOVO K5 Play. As this phone does not have its own virus scanner, you will have to install your own. You can do so in the Play Store. Simply search for Antivirus, choose your favorite antivirus software, and install it. It may take a while depending on your internet speed. Once it finishes installing, simply click Open. Here, you may have to agree to their policy and click on Scan Device, which may prompt you to allow it to access your photos and files, which you will have to do if you want it to do the scan. Now it will start scanning your phone, and if you are safe, it will tell you. If it finds any viruses, it will also tell you. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.